freezing point, melting point, and boiling point of water. So boiling point is when water turns into gas. That's also called evaporation. But in this case, we're just going to be boiling the ice into water, and then the water will evaporate and turn into gas, and then we're gonna check the temperature. The temperature we're checking is called boiling point. Now we're gonna put the ice. So first we're gonna be checking the temperature right now, and then when it all melts, checking the temperature. When it heats up kind of fully, the temperature will go pretty high. So I'm seeing the ice melting, and look at that. So as the ice is melting, you can see the bubbles as it's trying to warm up. Slowly the temperature is going higher to warm. We need the water to boil so the water can become into vapor, and we can record this on the thermometer. So we see slowly bubbles coming, and when it reaches 212, that's when the vapor starts to rise. So we're just gonna check. Okay, 185. And you can see small bubbles coming. Wait. 99? 200! 212 is the boiling point of water. This is where water becomes into vapor. So freezing point is when water becomes into ice. We're gonna be checking this ice temperature by using our thermometer. Okay, so the temperature I'm seeing right now is 32. So the temperature I'm seeing is less than 32. So that means the water became ice at 32 degrees. So 32 degree Fahrenheit is the freezing point of water. We're gonna check the melting point of water. The melting point is when ice melts and become into water. So you can see here the ice is melting, and the temperature is a little bit above 32. And so this is called a melting point of water. So melting point is nothing but a solid becoming into a liquid. And for water, the melting point is just a little bit above 32. The freezing point is 32 and below 32. In boiling point, the water becomes into gas. In melting point, the ice becomes into water. And in freezing point, the water becomes into solid. And all the temperature I measured is actually in Fahrenheit.